The content layout and your user experience is also very important. Every page of your site must perform a specific function, whether it's a lead capture or a long form content page. It must be appealing, and it must perform exactly what it's there to do. So if you want to do a lead capture, then make sure the page does that, because Google can track that, and it is tracking that as a metric. So Google is measuring that. Google is measuring the way people click on your site. So if you have a lead capture and a button right at the bottom, and people click on that and they opt into your site, then Google knows they've opted in. Then Google knows they've done that click. Then Google knows they've performed an action, an opt-in action, and that's going to work in your favor. You need to make sure that your code quality and your valid HTML and CSS is you need to make sure it's perfect. I mean, don't have poor code. I mean, I know not everyone is a coder, but you need to make sure that your theme and the elements, if you do any customization, or if your web developer does any customization, you need to make sure that the CSS is perfect, the HTML is perfect, and there's absolutely no sort of errors in that, because Google is looking at that on-page factor as well. So Google is going to look at, it's going to see if your site suffers from mobile technical issues, and it's going to penalize your site for that. So make sure that your site doesn't have any broken code, which is any HTML errors or PHP errors, any broken div tags, any broken links, which are like missing 4 or 4 pages and things like that, any deprecated code, code that's outdated, any infinite loop pages, your page doesn't have any overlapping text, no images exploding outside your div tags, and no hidden text and things like that. So make sure you don't have that.